Hi everyone, I'm Deepika Sonal. Happy Women's Day to all of you. International Women's Day is the day which is totally dedicated to honoring the achievement of women throughout the history and across the globe. This day is typically for the women from the different background, culture, society and country band together and celebrate the power of womanhood. In 1975, United Nation had started had they accepted this day as International Women's Day. And in 1996, they had that they began to celebrate this day with an annual theme. Means they choose one motive and throughout the year they work on this motive for the women's. First theme was challenging I think sorry first theme was celebrating the past and planning for the future. Last year 2020 theme was each for equal. You can see that hashtag each for equal. That means that equal opportunity, equal rights, equal pay slip for women and men, which are those who are working. And definitely that theme came before the pandemic situation in the world, so they choose that theme. This year one campaign is going on which state that choose to challenge, which means we women are responsible for our own action, own thought every day. And if we choose to challenge, what is challenge? If we take challenge, some changes came. So we women are totally independent, totally responsible for choosing the challenges gender biasness, inequalities throughout the world. But United Nation had given this year theme is women leadership in achieving the equal future in COVID-19 situation. This theme state that celebrating the tremendous effort given by the woman and girl for shaping this world equally and recovering from COVID-19 situations. Yes, I also think that we women are equally responsible, like equally supporting the government for in this pandemic situation. Like how? It's really very difficult to keeping our toddlers, kids inside the home for the 6 month completely, right? And no government can do this. Like keeping your kids inside the home, it's I know how much difficult it for me. Like cleaning and sanitizing our house 2 or 3 times a day whenever we go out or anybody from family go out and come inside. Like what? We made our home a comfortable place for our partners so that they can do work from home easily. Sacrificing our privacy means our mobile phone and give it to the our kids so that they can do online classes. Guys, we made our kitchen as a mini restaurant, means we fulfill their all the orders, all the demands and cooking 4 or 5 times a day. We give up our TV shows so that our family members can enjoy those shows easily. This all things really need a courage and we did it very gracefully. So definitely this year is a change and we took all the challenges very very happily, very enthusiastically. So definitely this year is like big celebration we have to did. We have to make ourselves we are proud of ourselves, like we supported our government in different way. So, yes, and one more thing I want to add on this is that whatever the motive is, whatever the issues related to women can be solved, can be dissolved. Only we band together, we stand for we support each other with a purpose. Like if someone some women started their startups or working women, we have to support each other. And definitely how if you ask me how I can see, women are great motivator. You can motivate each other. You can, if you can share your knowledge, your opinions, and yeah, positive talks. This what I want to share with you. And once again, happy Women's Day.